to create a simple sign up and sign in part of an e-commerce application. First of all, let's see the overall view of this page. As you can see, I have added 6 text boxes and 2 buttons for the sign up part and a logo at the middle of the page with a simple welcome text, and at the bottom there is a copyright sentence also. In the left side of the page I have added this background image. Let's see how this works. First of all, you have to add your details and click this sign up button. Then you can sign up to the system. If you already have an account, you can use this sign in button and go to the sign up part. This is the view of sign in part, and I have used 2 verifications called email and password to sign in to the system. After entering your details, you can click this button and sign into the system. Additionally, I have added this remember me option to save your details and forgot password option to reset your password. And also, I use this new to eShop join now button to go back to the sign up part. Because if someone want to go back, they can use this button, and if someone come to this part by mistake, they can also use this button. If we consider about the URL, you can see even though I moved from sign in part to sign up part or sign up part to sign in part, the URL doesn't change. It happens because both parts load in same page, not in 2 different pages. So now let's see how this happened by considering about the code. To create this page, I have used CSS, JavaScript, PHP and HTML. Additionally, I have used Bootstrap also. Now, if we consider about the coding at the head part, you can see I have used meta tags. It is really important to use meta tags at the beginning of the code. When you are coding, it's really important to use meta tags because they are snippets of code that tell search engines important information about your web page, such as how they should display it in search results, and also tell web browsers how to display it to the visitors. So this is a must part. And here you can see I have used these 2 links to link CSS part to the PHP code, and this link is about logo. Now if we consider about the body part, you can see I have included all the page in one main div, and for the each and every part I have used separate divs. When you use div, it gives very neat and clean outcome. No any confusion and no any collapse. Very smooth. And even it is really easy to use classes when you use divs and do differences to each part separately. So in the main div I have used container fluid, and to the other divs I have used columns and rows. Normally a screen is considered as 12 parts of column, and half of the screen is 6 parts of column. So in there I have used col 12. It means this application has made for this div is made for complete full screen. And if you look at this part, you can see I have used col 6 d none. D none means it doesn't show in sign up box. For the sign up part and sign in part, I have used two main different divs because it is really important when one part is displaying, other part should hidden. We do this through this JavaScript part. Here you can see this function. In the toggle, I have used dnone. From the toggle, we can do the complete opposite thing of the display. And in the dnone, when sign up box is displaying, it will hide the sign in box. I have used this function through this IDs, and this function is working by this on-click event, which is included in sign in button. If we consider about the tags and labels, here are how I used labels for the enter names. Instead of p tag, when you use labels, you can have a good outcome. And also for the each input text, I have given class also. To the gender part, I have used selection option, so you can select male or female by using that tag. And here's the sign up button as I mentioned before, and sign in button. From this div, the sign in box will start. When you include a password, it is really important to use input type as password, because if you use it as text, everyone can see your password. So it should be changed as this. And here are the two options I have mentioned before. In there, to the remember me, I have used checkbox, and to the forgot password, I have used link. This is the code to add a copyright sentence, and you must add this and copy text if you are adding a copyright text, because this lets you to embed a copywriting sign to the web page. And here's the part which I use to add JavaScript to the PHP. This link JavaScript. And now let's see the designing part. In there you can see I have used several URL for the background image and to the background and to the logo also. It is much better if you use images in SVG format, because when you use SVG images, they are zoomable and they can be printed with high quality at any resolution. Even when you zoom, the quality of the picture will not lose. So it is highly recommended to use SVG instead of other format. In there, I have used two fonts called Quickstand and HoneyScript. For the welcome test, I have used HoneyScript, and rest of the part I have used Quickstand. Here's the graphical part of the page, and if you consider about the responsive quality, this is 100% responsive page. When the space and the size decrease, the background image will disappear and copyright sentence will also disappear, and all the lines will align as a column. And to the medium size and large and extra large sizes, the application will display like this. So this is how I made this simple sign up and sign in part. Thank you so much for watching.